Today, we're going to unlock the secrets to creating stunning liquid drop animations right inside of Adobe After Effects, bringing your videos to life with a refreshing splash. First, let's establish our foundation. Create a new composition with your desired dimensions and duration. Then create a pre-composition. We'll call this precomp liquid drop as it's where the magic begins. Inside the liquid drop precomp, select the shape tool and draw a circle. This is your liquid drop's basic form. Now, navigate to the shape layer's contents, which adds a merge paths on the path menu. Click merge paths. This simplifies the drop for a smoother effect. Back in your main composition, drag your liquid drop precomp into the timeline. Duplicate it several times, each representing a separate drop. Stagger the start times of each drop. Create the illusion of a flow. Heading back into your liquid drop, select your shape layer. Transform to create an animation that brings the drop to life. The key is to have the size of the circles change over time. Start small and enlarge with the keyframes. To add realism, apply the turbulent displace effect to the shape layer within the liquid drop. Play with the settings to get a rippling effect that mimics the water movement. Experiment on the amount and size. Back in the main comp, the animation is in full effect. Adjust the color, add effects, or experiment with scaling and opacity to create the perfect fit. You have now mastered simulating liquid drops. With practice, you can create any liquid effect. Now go ahead and create stunning visuals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial. And happy animating!